How to fix WhatsApp Business not working on iPhone. Experiencing issues with WhatsApp Business on your iPhone? Let's troubleshoot common problems to get you back on track. A simple restart can resolve your temporary glitches affecting app performances. Ensure your device has a stable internet, as WhatsApp Business requires it to function properly. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the latest features and bug issues. Bug fixes. Reinstalling the app can fix persistent issues. Remember to back up the chats before doing so. If problems continue, resetting all settings can help. This won't delete your data, but will reset system settings. Following these steps should resolve most issues with WhatsApp Business on your iPhone. For ongoing problems, contact WhatsApp support. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.